In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a website on Podia 2025, step by step. Podia makes it simple to launch a clean professional website without code, and by the end, you'll have a live site you can share. Start by heading to your Podia dashboard and opening the website area. This takes you into the site editor, where you'll manage your design, pages, and settings. It's a visual drag and drop workspace, so you can see your changes as you make them. Begin by choosing your starting point. Pick a template that fits your style, or start with a blank site if you want total control. Then set your global design options. Select your brand colors, fonts, and button styles so everything looks consistent across every page. Upload your logo into the header to anchor your brand identity. A quick tip: choose a readable font pair and make sure your text color contrasts well with the background for accessibility. Next, build your homepage. Use the plus button to add sections. Start with a hero section featuring a clear headline and short subheadline that explains what you offer. Add high-quality images or a short video to make the page feel alive. Place clear call to action buttons that guide visitors to sign up, view a product, or contact you. Round out the page with sections for your bio, an email sign-up form, or a product grid. Keep sections focused and preview on mobile to confirm spacing and readability. Create additional pages for the essentials, like an about page and a contact page. In the page management area, add each page and give it a descriptive title. Then update your navigation menu so visitors can find these pages easily. Test your links to confirm they point to the right place. Customize your header and footer so they work across your entire site. In the header, include your logo and a clean navigation menu. In the footer, add copyright information, social links, and important policies. Keep both areas uncluttered to help visitors find what they need quickly. If you have a custom domain, connect it now. Purchase a domain from any registrar, add it to Podia following the on-screen instructions, and update your DNS records by adding the CNAME provided by Podia. DNS changes can take time to propagate, so don't worry if it doesn't connect immediately. Before going live, preview your whole site to check links, images, spacing, and mobile layouts. When everything looks right, hit publish to make your website live. You can update anytime, and if you don't see changes right away, refresh or use a private browser window. That's it. Your Podia site is ready to share.